Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a fried rice with lentil sprouts in the rice cooker. All ingredients below in my info box. We will need the lentil sprouts. The video of how to do it is gonna be down in my info box. We will need the chicken, green onion, ginger, garlic, green peas, carrots, soy sauce, jasmine rice, 2 eggs, and the rice cooker because today we are gonna cook there. In my rice cooker I have oil and we are gonna be adding half a ginger and garlic. Now let's fry them for a few seconds. Cover the rice cooker and press the cook button and let it cook for a few minutes. Stir a little bit. And now I'm gonna be adding my chicken, a pinch of salt, stir a little bit. Cover again the pot and wait a few minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to beat the eggs. And here you have to add the rest of the ginger. And now in a pan with oil, we will make the egg omelette. Let's check how is my chicken. It's almost cooked, so it's time to add the rice. I'm going to add 2 cups of rice right now. Mix everything, and I'm adding only half of green onion and all my green peas and carrots. And now it's time to add 2 cups of water. If you guys are using the regular rice, use 2 cups of rice for 3 cups of water, okay? Mix and add soy sauce. Cover and press the cook button and let it cook. Now we are gonna flip the egg omelette. And we are going to remove it and cut it into cubes. The bottom of my rice cooker is warm, so our fried rice is ready. Finally, we are going to add the rest of the green onions, and optional if you want to add soy sauce here, the egg omelette and lentil sprouts, you are done. But I'm going to fry my rice in the pan with oil, like a real Chinese fried rice. And I just add more soy sauce, my lentil sprouts, and the egg omelette. Mix everything together and we are almost done. And this is the final result. Guys, I hope you like it. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it's free, and follow me on my social media. And here I have a green pea for my dog. Her name is Candy, she's my coton de Tuliar, and she has own videos every Saturday. But she's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.